Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download the Tonkeeper app on your Android phone. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet. And on your Android phone, head over to your Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, here you can see the search option, tap on it. Now type Tonkeeper and search for it. You will see the Tonkeeper app appear in the search results. Look for the official app, it should have this logo. Once you find the app, here you can see the install button right next to the app icon. You can simply tap on it to download this app to your device. So tap on this install button. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, here you can see the open button. You can directly launch this app from here. So tap on this open button. You can now set up your account and start exploring the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.